Welcome to episode 9 of your English Chat Pod. Today, we're talking about something very important: how to express your feelings in English in simple and honest ways. I'm James, and I'm really glad you're here with us.
Hi, everyone. I'm Bella. Thank you for joining us today. I'm happy you're listening and spending this time with us.
Before we really begin, let's warm up together. Please repeat these 3 words with us: calm, tired, nervous. Calm, when your body feels quiet. Tired, when your energy is low. Nervous, when you feel a little worried.
Calm, tired, nervous. Yes.
Great. And just so you know, this episode is not a test. It's just a gentle conversation, a safe place to practice English and talk about feelings. No pressure here.
I really like that. It feels comfortable and friendly. I feel safe talking here.
Bella, let me ask you something simple. How are you feeling right now? Just one sentence.
Right now, I feel calm. I had a slow morning and I drank tea. That helped me feel ready for the day.
That sounds really nice. Bella, can you try that sentence again using because? Say, today I feel calm because.
Today, I feel calm because I had time to walk and make tea. Everything felt simple and unhurried.
Slow moments can really help us feel calm. I feel calm when I sit outside for a few minutes and just breathe. Earlier, you mentioned feeling nervous today. What happened?
Yes. This morning, I needed to send an important message. I felt nervous. My hands felt cold, and my heart was beating faster.
That's very common. When I feel nervous, my shoulders become tight and my thoughts move very quickly.
I feel that too. So I stopped and took deep breaths. After that, I felt more relaxed.
Can you explain the breathing steps slowly for our listeners?
Of course. Breathe in slowly for 4 seconds. Hold for 2 seconds, then breathe out slowly for 4 seconds. I did that 3 times, and it really helped.
That's perfect. Everyone listening, you can try that right now. Small tools like this can really help when you feel nervous or stressed.
Yes. Try it when you need it. It's simple and it works.
Bella, many listeners feel tired in the afternoon. When you feel tired, what do you usually do?
When I feel tired, I rest. I drink some water, and sometimes I close my eyes for a few minutes. Often, that's enough.
That's a good approach. When I feel tired, I slow down too. I might take a short walk, rest my eyes, or eat something small. Little things can bring back some energy.
Sometimes I also feel heavy. My body and my mind both feel slow.
Heavy is a very useful word. It means everything feels difficult. When you feel heavy, what helps you?
I try to be kind to myself. I make tea, listen to music, or write one short sentence in my notebook. Today I feel... That's enough for me.
That's a great habit. Naming your feelings helps your brain understand what's happening. When you say, I feel tired, or I feel frustrated, it becomes clearer.
Yes. When I name the feeling, I feel more in control. Then I can decide what to do next.
Let's practice some very useful sentence patterns. Repeat after me. Today, I feel blank. When I feel blank, I blank. I feel blank because. Say them with me, Bella.
Today, I feel calm. When I feel nervous, I take deep breaths. I feel tired because I did not sleep well.
Excellent. These short sentences are easy to use every day. They help you explain your feelings clearly.
James, can I share a short story? It shows how feelings can change during the day.
Of course. Start with one day.
One day, I woke up feeling calm. At noon, I felt nervous because of a message. In the afternoon, I felt tired. In the evening, I felt relaxed and content. My feelings changed during the day.
That's a perfect example. It's completely normal to feel different emotions in one day.
I often tell my friends, it's okay to feel many things. When I say it out loud, it helps me too.
That's very true. Stress can appear in different ways. For me, it shows in my body first.
For me, it starts in my thoughts. Small problems feel big, and then my body reacts.
Both are important to notice. If your body feels tense, try moving. If your mind feels busy, try breathing and naming the feeling.
Yes, that helps me slow down.
Bella, some learners ask how to say frustrated or disappointed in simple English.
Yes, that can be confusing.
You can say, I feel frustrated because something is not working. And I feel disappointed because things didn't happen as I hoped.
That feels clear and simple.
Exactly. Words are tools. They help us understand ourselves and explain things to others.
Yes, when I have the words, I feel calmer.
Let's practice, because one more time. Repeat after me. I feel tired because I did not sleep well. I feel happy because I talked to a friend. I feel nervous because I have a test.
I feel tired because I did not sleep well. I feel happy because I talked to a friend. I feel nervous because I have a test.
Great job. Now, let's do one short breathing moment together.
I already feel a little better. Small moments really help.
Bella, let's do a quick practice round for listeners. I'll ask, and you answer in one sentence.
Okay, I'm ready.
How do you feel in the morning?
I feel calm in the morning.
What do you do when you feel nervous?
I take deep breaths and slow down.
What helps you relax in the evening?
I read a little and listen to music.
Listeners, you can pause and answer these questions out loud too. That's great speaking practice.
Yes, even speaking alone helps your confidence. That's great.
Here's a helpful tip. Notice where you feel emotions, in your body or in your mind. That helps you choose what to do next.
When my thoughts feel fast, I stop and breathe. It really helps.
A small challenge for this week. Each night, write one sentence. Today, I felt blank when I blank.
I like that. It feels easy and not stressful.
And if you're learning with someone, ask them, how are you feeling right now? Listening is also practice.
Yes. Don't worry about mistakes. Speaking is more important than being perfect.
Bella, do you ever feel proud or satisfied?
Yes. I feel proud when I finish something difficult. I say, I feel proud because I tried my best.
That's perfect. Content is another nice word, a quiet kind of happy.
I like that word. It feels peaceful.
Some listeners ask what to do on very heavy or sad days. Bella, what helps you then?
On heavy days, I rest and go slowly. I remind myself that it's okay. I talk to someone or write my feelings down.
That's great advice. Saying feelings out loud can really help your mind.
Yes. One small step is enough.
One more tip. Walking outside for a few minutes can improve your mood. It's simple and free.
Yes. Walking always helps me feel lighter.
Me too. Another great word we can use to describe our feelings or mood is positive. Positive means feeling hopeful. For example, I feel positive because I did something good for myself today.
Today, I feel positive because I went for a walk.
Perfect. Now, let's review some important words together.
Calm, tired, nervous, stressed, happy, relaxed, proud, content, frustrated, disappointed, heavy.
Excellent. All right. Let's try a quick listening check now. I will ask 3 questions about what we talked about today. Listeners, listen carefully and think about your answer.
Yes. Take a moment and think. You can answer in your head or say it out loud.
Question 1. How did Bella feel in the morning and what helped her feel that way?
Think back to the beginning of our conversation. What feeling did I say and what helped me feel it?
Question 2. What does James do when he feels tired in the afternoon?
Remember, James shared a few small actions. Which ones do you remember?
Question 3. Why is it helpful to name your feelings in English?
Think about what we said about using words and understanding yourself.
Okay, let's check the answers together. Answer 1. Bella felt calm in the morning because she had a slow morning and drank tea.
Answer 2. When James feels tired, he slows down, rests his eyes, takes a short walk, or eats something small.
And answer 3. Naming your feelings helps you understand them better and choose what to do next.
Great job, everyone! If you didn't get all the answers, that's okay. Listening takes practice. Thank you, James, for sharing today. I enjoyed this conversation.
Thank you, Bella. And thank you to everyone listening to your English Chat Pod. Keep practicing your feelings in English.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care.
And one more thing. Remember to ask yourself, how am I feeling right now? Say it in English every day, even if it's just one sentence. See you next time. Have an amazing day.